Morning children, Sai Ram to all. Hope you are doing very well at your home children. Learning at home, listening to your parents, obeying the rules for coronavirus. Children, today we are going to continue our same chapter, that is chapter number 2. Okay, that was whole numbers. Everybody know whole numbers? If you don't know, you have to learn yourself. I have already announced in our 2-3 previous videos. Okay children? Yes. Today we are going to take our topic, that is patterns in whole numbers. So patterns in whole numbers means every whole number can be represented as elementary shape. Every whole number is having some shape, whether it can be a shape of a line or a shape of a rectangle or a shape of a triangle. So today we are going to read this or see this how it has been going to be done. So our first is patterns in whole numbers. It is already given patterns in whole numbers. So first one is without, see it is given 2. I have told you that you have to represent 2. 2 is a whole number as a shape. How you will represent? So whenever any number is given and we have been told that you have to represent it as a pattern, we will show it as a using dots. So we will put one dot here, one here. We will form a line. By joining the dots, we are getting a line. So 2 is having a shape of a line. So every number, I am telling, every number is having the shape of a line. Let's see the another one. This is 3. I have taken one dot here, one here, one here. Now I am joining all these 3 dots. What is the shape here? Yes, the shape here is also a line. I am taking 6 here. Again I am taking 6 dots. It is the shape of a line. So every number starting from 0 can have the shape of a line. So coming to our next shape, that is shape of a rectangle. See, this is 6, 3 dots, 4, 5, 6. So by joining all these dots, we are getting the shape of a rectangle. Rectangle is having 2 rows. These are called rows and these are called columns. Rectangle is having 2 horizontal side and 3 vertical side. You can say 2 rows and 3 columns it is having. Okay children? Yes. So 6 can be drawn like this and 6 can be drawn one dot here, another here, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So by joining all these lines, we are getting the shape of a line. So we can represent 6 as a shape of a line also and as a shape of a rectangle also. Now we are going to see the shape of a square. We are having 4 here. 4 we are having. How to represent 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the shape of a 4. So this is 4 can have the elementary shape of a line. But now I am telling that I want something different shape. So I am arranging one dot here, another here, another here, another here. Now I am joining the dots. So I am having the shape of a square. Which shape is this? This is the shape of a square. 4 is having the shape of a line. 4 is having the shape of a square. Yes. Now see, we are having the some shapes. 4 and 9 can also be arranged as a square. Same way they have arranged 9. You can see here in this picture. They have arranged 9 like this. Now they have joined all these lines. By joining all these lines, which shape they are getting? They are getting the shape of a square. Okay, it can be also be the shape of a rectangle also children. Okay, now we are going to take the example of triangle. If you will arrange the numbers, you will get to know that which shape it is holding. Now I have taken 3. How I can arrange 3? Yes, I can arrange 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. Now I will join the dots. It is having a shape of a line. Now I want different shape of 3. So I am arranging one dot here, one here, one here. So I am joining the dots. It is forming a shape of a triangle. So 3 is also having the shape of a triangle and a shape of a line, both. So we have discussed in pattern in whole numbers that every whole number can be represented as a pattern using dots, elementary shapes using dots. Line shape, rectangle shape, square shape, triangle shape. If you will arrange the numbers using dots, you will get to know which shape it is holding. Here is the table. As we can see in the table that 2 can have the shape of a line, 3 can also have the shape of a line, 4 can also have the shape of a line, 5 can also have the shape of a line. 2 cannot have the shape of rectangle. 2 cannot have any of the shape. Okay. 3 cannot have shape of rectangle. 3 is having the shape of triangle like this. This is one dot, this is another dot, this is another dot. By joining this, we are getting a shape of a triangle. Same way, 4 is having a line shape, it is correct. 4 is having the shape of a rectangle, it is correct. 4 is having the shape of a square, because if we will arrange the dots in far apart from each other, we can have the shape of a rectangle. If we are making them close together, we can have the shape of a square also. Okay, same way 4 can have the shape of a rectangle and shape of a square both. Now see, we are going to take our next exercise, that is first question here is, which of the following will not represent 0? Here you have to tell that which number is not representing as a 0. It means not representing means which is not having the answer as 0. Okay, we have to find that number which is not getting the answer 0. Yes. So our first option is 1 plus 0. Okay, tell me you are having 1 chocolate and 0 chocolates. So what will be the total number of chocolates? Yes, you are in 6th standard. You should know that whenever any number is added with 0, we get the same number. So which answer we are getting? We were getting the answer same as a number, that is 1. So it was asked in the question that which of the following will not represent 0. It means whose answer will not be 0. So in our first option only we have got our answer, that is 1 plus 0. After solving this will not get 0. So our answer is first one. Okay, our answer is first one. Now second question is, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, it means the product of two whole numbers is 0. Can we say that one of them is 0 or both of them is 0? Class, see, you should know that whenever any number is multiplied by 0, we always get 0. What if the number is maybe big also, then also if it is getting multiplied with the second number or the third number, that is 0, will always get 0. See, I have taken 100 here. When it is getting multiplied with 0, we are getting 0 as a answer. Same way, it is possible that both the blanks can be 0, or it may be possible that only one blank can be 0. Okay, so examples you can take many more from your choice, but it should be correct. Okay, you can show both 0 0 option also, or you can show one numbers and others is 0 example. Okay, now our third question is, if the product of two whole number is 1, it means when you are multiplying two whole numbers here and you are getting the product 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1 or both of them will be 1? Yes, tell me. It is saying that product of two whole numbers is 1. Can you say that one number is one blank will be 1 or both the blanks will be 1? Just tell me. Yes. See, I have taken here 10. I have taken here 1. Okay. Now tell me, when you will multiply 10 by 1, what answer you will get? You will get 10. So it is not possible that only one number is only one option as 1. We should have both the option as 1. Both, if we will multiply both, if both the numbers are getting multiplied by 1, it means both the whole numbers are 1 1. Then only we are only able to get the answer as 1. अगर एक चाहिए मल्टीप्लाई में तो एक से ही गुणा करनी पड़ेगी. गॉट इट? यस. बट इफ यू आर हैविंग 1 plus 0, so 0 does not hold any of the position, so 1 plus 0 will be 1 only. Now our fourth question is find using distributive property. Class, I have already discussed this in our previous video, so I am showing you here also in this video. You can see here, look at this, I have given all the answers here. Yes. First question is, yes, look at the screen. Yes, 728 multiplied by 101. So I have already told you the number which is written behind that number you have to break. Okay, that number only you have to break. How you will break this number? You will break it as a 100 plus 1. Okay, so when you will do 100 plus 1, you will get 101. Okay, now you can see as in the example. Yes, 100 and 1 they have break into 100 plus 1. Now what they are doing? Yes, what they are doing? They are taking 728 multiplied with 100. You can see here. Now they are taking the plus sign because here is plus sign. This I have already discussed, but again I am telling you. Now it is taking 172 multiplied with 1, which is here. Okay, now what is happening in our steps? Now 728 is getting multiplied with 100. We are getting 72800 plus. Whenever any number is getting multiplied with 1, we get the number. Okay, not 1. Now we will add all these numbers. We will get 73. You can add 72800. Yes, if the next number is small, you have to start from the behind. Here will come 8. You will not write here 728. No, this is the rule that you have to start writing from behind. This is 2, this is 7. Now we will add, we will get the answer 73528. Okay, yes. Now our second question is, C part is 824 multiplied by 25. Now we will break 25. How we will break 25? 20 plus 5. Now we will multiply 824 by 20, then 824 by 5. When see, look at this step, second one. Now 824 getting multiplied with 20, and in the middle it is plus sign, and we are having 824 multiplied with 5. It is written here. You have to multiply these two numbers. You will get 16480. Then you will get plus, when 824 will get multiplied with 5, you will get 4120. You should know the multiplication. If you don't know, use nowadays how to multiply. Solve the question related to multiplication. Now our E part is 504 multiplied by 35. So I have already told you have to break 35. How can break 35? You can take 25 plus 10. You can take 30 plus 5, but it is better if you will take 0. If any number is written 10, 20, if it is possible that you can break in this way, it is very good for you, because whenever you will multiply, it is easy for us. Okay, now 500 plus 4 multiplied by 35. You can change this also, you can change this also, because both are holding distributive property. Because if we are changing this one, then we are getting it multiplied with by this bracket, but if we are changing this 35, then this 35 bracket is getting multiplied by 504. So when we will multiply all these, we will get 17640. Okay children, same way we will do our B part. What they have done here, we were having back number is 1001, so they have changed 1001 into 1000 plus 1. Now they are getting it multiply. 5 4 is getting multiplied with 1000 in second step. Now 5437 is getting multiplied with 1. Okay, now when we are getting multiplying any number by 100, 1000, 10, what we are having, we are having that number, and the 0 the other number is containing. So we have multiplied and we have got this. After doing this, we have add both the numbers, and we have got 5442437 as an answer. I hope now if you practice, you will get to know how to solve. Okay children, see, this is the last question you can see here. Study the pattern. Pattern is given to you that 1 multiply 8 plus 1. Now you look at this pattern. It is 1 multiply 8 plus 1. Here is 1 2 multiply 8 plus 2. And now what are the changes you are seeing here? Here was only 1. Here it has become 1 2. Here was only 9. Here it has become 9 8. Okay. Now see the third one. Here was 12. Here it has become 1 2 3. And here was 98. Here was 987. It means this one is decreasing and this one is increasing. Now see the full complete pattern. This is 1 2 3 4 multiply 8. 8 is fixed. Which place are changing? Yes, this place is changing, this place is changing, this place is changing. It is getting reduce, it is getting increase, and this is also getting increase. Okay, yes. Now what will come in next? Yes, it is increasing, so it will become 1 2 3 4 5. It is 4 here, it will become 5 here, and it will reduce 9 8 7 6. After that 5 will come. It is given to you here. Oh sorry, here. Okay, now see, rest of the patterns we have to find. Now you can look at here in this. Our ending was 98765. So our second steps are this one. It was 1 2 3 4. We have taken 6, and here that there was 5. We have taken here 6. When you will add this, you will get, you were having up to 5 you were already having, but we have included 4 there. Now we will include in next one 3, because we are reducing this side. This side we are reducing, this side we are increasing. So here was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 6 in above one, and 7 we have included in next one. Same way pattern works like this. How it is increasing? You can see here. It is increasing like this. First one was 1. Here was 1. Here was 9. This is reducing, and this side is increasing. Okay, this you can see, look at this. This was 1, this was 1 2, this was 1 2 3, this was 1 2 4, 1 2 5, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 7, and this is 8. This is fixed 8, but this is also increasing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In this way you can see the pattern which we have to follow for the whole numbers. If it is given in exam, you have to see this and follow the write the next steps. Now children, this is the homework for you. You have to note down this in your rough notebook. Find using distributive property. What you have to do, I have already told in today's video also, that you will break the behind number. It means 102. How? That is 100 plus 2. It will come in one bracket. Now 324 will multiplied by this, then 324 multiplied by this. Plus sign will come in between, and you will add all the numbers. If you don't know how to do, you can see today's video. In rest of the question I have already discussed. Again you will do in same way, you can do B1 C1. Okay, next one is write the numbers that can be shown as line. It is very easy. Line, you have to show the numbers which can be used as a line, but you have to show with using dots also. Okay, you have to use the dots. For rectangle also you have to use dots and show the number. Square and for triangle. So today we have discussed the pattern in whole numbers. You have to sit with your notebook, note down today's topic in rough notebook and practice these questions. You will know how to show the whole numbers using pattern or dots, having the shapes like line, rectangle, square, triangle. Okay children, I hope you all will do this. Saira.